Trucker Path app review, everything you need to know. So basically, Trucker app is a mobile app, basically used by truck drivers to plan routes or find truck stops, parking, fuel, way station, and more of those. It's also community driven, so many of its parking points are crowdsourced from other drivers. Then, directly to its key features, it does have truck safe navigation, parking availability. Technically, we already mentioned that. Way station status, fuel prices, and points of interest. With that, the community and social features, drivers can leave reviews, report conditions, and contribute parking weighing station updates. But for its pros, it's very useful for parking. One of its strongest features, many truckers rely on its real-time parking data to avoid long searches. Crowdsourced data, because so many drivers contribute the data, it is often quite current. Cost-saving potential, fleet use, safety compliance health, and the user community. So the app's value increases with more active users. Reporting station status, leaving reviews, and so more of the similar status. But it does have a few cons like data reliability, since data is user contributed information, like what they can give can be somewhat outdated or inaccurate sometimes. But overall, Trucker Path is one of the most valuable tools for long haul and over the road truck drivers, especially because of its strong community input, parking availability data, and trip planning features. It's great for finding stops, checking way stations, and planning efficient truck safe routes. But it's not a perfect substitute for a dedicated truck GPS or a fully integrated fleet telematics system. So if you need very precise routing, hardware integration, or advanced safety data, you can use it together with other tools to get the best combination of navigation planning and cost saving. But you can learn more directly about what Trucker Path can do and what it is as a whole in their officials or even in the app itself. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.